Now formation of ethane, that is C2H6. Carbon having 6 electrons, configuration will be 2 and 4. This requires 4 electrons. Hydrogen 1. Hydrogen requires 1 electron. This is the carbon, first carbon having 4 electron, and this one is the second electron, second carbon having 4 electrons. Each electron of carbon is shared with hydrogen Now each hydrogen can share 1 electron of carbon to become stable, that is, it can complete its duplet. Now in this way, duplet of each hydrogen get completed. Now about the carbon, 4 electrons of carbon are here and 3 electron can be shared with the 3 hydrogen and 1 electron can be shared with the second carbon. So this can also complete its octet by sharing of electron 3 of hydrogen and 1 of next carbon. In this way, octet of this carbon is complete. In the same way, second carbon can also share 1 of its electron with the carbon electron of first carbon. So this will result in the formation of ethane molecule having single bond between carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen. The next is ethene molecule, which is unsaturated, C2H4. This is the first carbon having 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another carbon having 4 electrons. Now there are 4 hydrogen, each carbon will have 2 hydrogen. Now this hydrogen can share 1 electron of first carbon. Similarly, second hydrogen can also share. Third hydrogen can share 1 electron of second carbon. And fourth hydrogen can also share 1 electron of second carbon. Now in this way, duplet of each hydrogen is completed. Now we have to see about the octet of carbon. Now first carbon, it has 4 electron and 2 shared by hydrogen, that is total 6, and 2 electron it can share from the second carbon to complete its octet. In the same way, second carbon can also share 2 electrons of first carbon to complete its octet. Since there is a sharing of 2 electrons between carbon, so there will exist double bond between carbon while single bond between hydrogen. This is the ethene. Now the third one, ethyne, C2H2. This is also unsaturated. First carbon with 4 electron. Second carbon is also with 4 electron. Each carbon will have only 1 hydrogen. Now first hydrogen can complete its duplet by sharing of 1 electron of first carbon, and similarly second hydrogen can also share 1 electron of second carbon. In this way, duplet of each hydrogen get completed. Now we can see in the center there are 6 electrons which can be shared by both the carbons. So 6 electrons located at the center and 2 electrons along with the 1 electron of hydrogen. This results in the completion of octet of carbon. So this results in the formation of ethene, in which triple bond will be there between the carbons and single bond between the carbon and hydrogen. Now next molecule we can take ammonia, that is NH3. Nitrogen having 7 electrons, configuration 2 and 5, that is it requires 3 electrons to become stable, and hydrogen requires only 1 electron to become stable. Now this is nitrogen, 5 electrons are there, 2 electrons existed as lone pair and remaining 3 electrons are shared with the hydrogen. Now this is the completion of duplet of hydrogen. Each hydrogen completes its duplet. Now nitrogen, 5 electron of its and 6 electron of first hydrogen, 7th electron of second hydrogen and 3rd electron of third hydrogen. So in this way it can complete its octet, results in the formation of ammonium molecule having 1 lone pair.